We're cooking some Turkish spinach and eggs, and we start with some olive oil and butter. Chop our onion into fine pieces, and then we're going to saute our onion in the olive oil and butter and add some Turkish tomato paste to the onions as they saute. This adds flavor. We'll be sauteing these for a few minutes until the onions are tender and translucent. At this time, add a package or two of frozen spinach to the onions and the tomato paste. If you need more tomato paste, add to taste or add a little bit, a teaspoon at a time. Continue sauteing your onions and your spinach with your tomato paste. It's best to use a Teflon coated pan and add a little more oil, cooking oil if necessary. Use a wooden spoon so you don't scratch the surface of your pan. Now it's time to crack your eggs and add them to your spinach. The amount of eggs can vary depending upon how many people you are serving. So crack your eggs into your spinach mixture. They will absorb the heat from the spinach and they will cook. You will also use your wooden spoon to continue mixing your eggs as the spinach is cooking, and that will incorporate the eggs into the spinach. This can feed quite a few people. So now we are stirring our eggs into the spinach mixture until the eggs are thoroughly cooked and change color. Stir them gently, and this is a very quick and easy dish to prepare. Just takes a few minutes to cook. The eggs are just about done. And now we're ready to eat.